Yakni ke Jacob kabade ke beauty contest lani ke Jacob samla bahabrio bala rimtam Shillong la pelong de ke Fashion Society Shillong mena ke seaside jan ha ususutham Auditorium State Central Library Shillong.
Badari badariya giri re gajari gajariya giri re gagari gagariya bhari re gajari gajariya giri re badari badariya giri re gajari gajariya Badari badariya giri re gajari gajariya giri re gajari gajariya hari re
Kasamla akriti kala job na prengi khasaut ki samla kibration benta kani ke Jacob. Haprengi pait ba ki babon ringkat ki surjirwai ber ki light bala pentaba itanat da bon ki rong kasamla akriti kala pele me kasamla rida maya pasa bar kasamla Simran Chetri ha ka final.
In a perfect storybook, the world is brave and good. A hero takes your hand, a sweet love, move for love. But life's a different game, the sorrow and the pain. Only you can change your world tomorrow. Let your smile light up the sky. Keep your spirit soaring high. Trust in your heart, your sun shines forever and ever. Hold fast to kindness, your light shines forever and ever. I believe in you and me. We are strong.
Kini ki samla klei kuni ki round repair ringkar ke jingpen iriam tenrai berkumjo ru ki riam ke jukmenta. Kamis Shillong arhajar khakndai kala yo ek busket pisa ka bashilak tingka bar ki jing ais ngobha. Ka first runners up kala yo ek busket pisa ka bah nyup san hajar tingka ringkar ki jing ais ngobha. Bar ka second runners up par kala yo ek song pisa ka basan pho hajar tingka ringkar ki jing ais ngobha.
Beauty is being the best version of yourself inside out. Greetings, people of Shillong. My name is Nancy Kamalalu and I have completed my graduation from St. Edmund's College. Luck is not something I perceive as being instrumental for success. Instead, I consider hard work and dedication to be the two pillars required to succeed in life. I always start the day with the hope of learning new things, and in doing so, my mind acts as a clean canvas, which at the end of the day is filled with whatever I've learned. It's this mindset that enables me to improve every aspect of life. It helps me take whatever comes my way, be it failure or success. Having studied social work in college, the experiences on the field have really sharpened my listening skills, communication and observational skills. They shape me into a person that harbors no judgment against anyone, but instead learn to see beyond the superficial masks that society burdens us with. I'm really blessed and honored to be one of the finalists of Miss Shillong 2019. I hope the best and the most deserving person wins.
Good things come to those who wait, but I personally believe that great things come to those who are willing to take risks, whatever the outcome may be, and work hard, because there is no substitution for hard work. Greetings everyone, I am Dawanka Shulai, pursuing my bachelor degree in economics in Sinat College, Shillong. Growing up without my parents has been very challenging for me, yet I've learned to be brave, independent and confident woman that I am today. I love dancing, singing, listening to music and dressing up. I am a sports enthusiast and basketball is my favorite. I aspire to become an entrepreneur and to be a role model. Being an entrepreneur does not only means to be your own boss, but it's about the risk, determination and hard work itself. Tarzan has always been something I am passionate about. It has always been my childhood dream. Hence, I am very fortunate and grateful to be here, part of this Miss Shillong 2019. And I'm looking forward to accomplish this dream and make it a reality. Special thanks and due regards to everyone present here. Thank you. I wasn't born to follow, and I'm not sure if I was born to lead. But I'm certain that I was born to fight my ways through life and win. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Anisha Jawa, a young aspiring girl who believes in spreading love and happiness in the world. I've completed my higher secondary from Shillong College and currently I am working with an event company, and I'm also a member of the SOSS team, that is Symbol of Snare Society, where we do entertainment for a cause to help the needy ones. I like singing and dancing and I'm very passionate about modeling. I've always believed in the saying that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. So that is why I am working on myself, by myself and for myself to become the best of me. Thank you very much and have a wonderful evening ahead. I am Saipa Wala. I am currently pursuing my class 12 arts from St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. I am a sports enthusiast and I love music as it is my remedy to conquer my inner doubts. Sometimes life grants us opportunities that change us into unimaginable ways, and I believe Miss Shillong 2019 is that opportunity for me. I'm grateful and fortunate to be here today, and I thank you for molding me into a better woman, sister and leader. I would like to use the stage to give a message to the youth. Be proud of your life struggles and never apologize for your life story. Rather, let it inspire you to achieve your dreams. Thank you.
Success is a state of mind. If you want success,
start thinking of yourself as a success. Hello everyone, I am Ashwani Chetri, a young aspiring cabin crew. Dancing and modeling are my hobbies, and involving myself in social work and contributing towards the society is what gives me immense pleasure. I am a member of an NGO, Symbol of Sneh Society, where we believe in giving our love and care towards the ones who are actually in need of through entertainment. I come from a defense background family where hard work and discipline are thought to be my priority. My motto in life is I can, I will, I must. I give my 100% and never give up in whatever I chose to do. I live with a positive attitude because I believe that everything happens for a reason. Thank you.
If it was so easy to get to the top, everyone would have been a star. So this is tough. With eyes full of dream, we dream, full of imagination, but dream doesn't become reality without strong determination and hard work. Hello everyone, I'm Rudamaya Pasa, currently pursuing my class 11 arts at North Liberty High Secondary School, Johor. I enjoy dancing, modeling, acting, and spending time with kids. Born and brought up in Johor, a small town where we never thought like to dream big and achieve big things. Being raised by a single parent is trained me to work hard and to achieve what's good for my family and to make my mom the queen that she always deserved to be. So I believe that Miss Shillong would be my first step towards my dream of becoming the next Miss India. So I strongly believe that it is important to be the hardest working person in the room, with deep regard and respect to the judges and to everyone who are present here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nidavanka Kharsiti. I've completed my post-graduation in political science from William Carey University. I'm very passionate about gardening, skipping and dancing. I've come from a family whereby each day we have to get up, work hard and to support one another to live a happy life. Shillong Beauty Pageant is one platform that gives an opportunity for a girl like me to express myself more, build more confidence, to be a better woman, chasing her dreams. As a person, my intention is to live humble and kind, and to find a true happiness in small places. It has been stated that beauty isn't always about having a pretty face, but it always means having a pretty mind, a kind heart, and most importantly, having a beautiful soul. Thank you.
From the left of the glorious wilderness, situated on the ridge with a breathtaking view of the Tura Peak, lies the land of 100 Runs, Garo Hills, my hometown. I am Shana Chelsea Ann Sangma from Tura, Meghalaya, currently pursuing Bachelor's in English at St. Joseph's College in Darjeeling, West Bengal. I love making portraits of people, painting, sketching, love exploring new places, playing guitar, and I strive great enthusiasm in rapping, Eminem being my favorite artist. I would consider myself as a person who is optimistic and who looks at a glass half full rather than half empty, because I believe the more positive you are, the more likely you are to enjoy the situation even when it ends poorly. And the pillar which gives me strength to stay positive at all times is the Word of God. Philippians chapter 4 verse 13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And I believe nothing is impossible if you believe in yourself, because God helps those who help themselves. Thank you.
Lai Pi, Kasni Kashaw, Le Erbapungat, Kanyok Banbam, Hakikam, Bani Baro, Hangtaken, Karikanam. This is a beautiful stanza taken from the poem Ukhlur by Uso Sutham, which means that we are what we repeatedly do. Success is therefore an act which is hidden in our daily habits. Hello everyone, my name is Mayalang Omban, a third-year student currently pursuing my degree in BTech in Civil Engineering from National Institute of Technology, Meghalaya. Since I was a child, I always loved performing and being on stage, challenging and pushing myself to step out of my comfort zone. My hobbies are singing, dancing, cooking and making crafts. I also love spending my time with the kids in the orphanage. My biggest inspiration in life is my mother, because it is through her that I learned how to dance in the storm and to never give up in life. Kublai.
There is no power greater than a woman determined to rise. Hello everyone, I am Akriti Chen, a passionate young woman who has had an amazing upbringing. I belong to a state where love is the essence of life, Meghalaya. I am currently pursuing media technology from St. Anthony's College, Shillong. I aspire to become a model and a travel journalist to promote Meghalaya's tourism in a broader sense. I have acquired the passion for singing at a very young age, and being an NCC cadet in school, I've acquired the spirit of never giving up, and that spirit has really helped me to reach this far. Being a part of this big platform is a victory itself. However, my dreams does not end here. I wish to represent my state, my country at higher levels. Winning the Miss Shillong 2019 title, I would like to inspire the youth and also add to the betterment of the society. Thank you. Believe in yourself and never stop wanting to build a better world. Hello everyone, my name is Ahira Simarak from the land of 100 drums, Tura. I graduated from Don Bosco College, Tura. Currently, I am pursuing my diploma in music from Shillong School of Music.
I like singing, dancing, painting, and playing ukulele. My aim in life is to become a successful supermodel and a musician. I believe that Miss Shillong is that one platform where I get a chance to present myself to the public and to boost up my confidence level by learning new things and make me a better person tomorrow. And also to highlight to the rest of the people the variant, diverse, and unique culture of my tribe, be it on state and national, and bring home the crown. Thank you so much and enjoy the show.
Take a chance. If you win, you will be happy, and if you don't win, you will be wise. Hello everyone, my name is Sandaki Nirambai, currently pursuing my BA in English Literature. I belong to a small village in East Jantia Hills, Clarion. Talking about my hobbies, I love dancing, although I'm not a trained dancer, but it's something which I really enjoy doing. I also love acting and traveling as well. Being raised by a single mother, I learned to appreciate and value strong and independent women. I am a person who's driven by passion, and I strongly believe that with focus, hard work, and determination, nothing in this world is impossible. Miss Shillong to me is not only a platform to voice my opinion, but also a stepping stone for me towards my dream. Deep regards to my fellow contestants and the judges. Thank you.
A clear vision, backed by definite plans, gives you a tremendous feeling of confidence and personal power. Hello everyone, I am Rashintiman Karsotan. The meaning of my name is to take charge, and that is exactly what I'm doing with my life. I take charge. I value family, love, honesty, integrity, and cooperation. Currently pursuing my second year diploma in computer science and engineering at Shillong Polytechnic, I enjoy dancing, traveling, spending time with my family. Pageants for me are more about the service to the community, being a role model, and making a difference. Miss Shillong is one of the platforms for me that allows me to find out my own strength and passion. Deep regards and respect. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Simran Chetri, a graduate in Hospital Administration, Public Health Safety being my primary goal. I am also an active member of an NGO, Symbol of Sneh Society, with an objective, entertainment for cause. I am fond of dancing, acting, cooking, traveling to various places, exploring new cultures and cuisines. Just as learning has no limitations, my exploration has no end. Right from representing Meghalaya at National School of Drama, New Delhi, to providing the best service to my patients, to being crowned Miss Gorkha 2018, every achievement has been a stepping stone for me towards the next. I aim to counsel and aid those who are deprived of basic necessities to live and spread social awareness on menstrual hygiene so that women embrace their cycle with pride rather than shame. Every positive exception is an inception for me, and that's my approach towards life. Thank you.
आसमां से आ गिरी क्या शाम शानदार चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी
second runners-up, Miss Shillong 2019 goes to Miss Simran Chetri.
Please put your hands together for Miss Simran Chetri, Miss Shillong, second runners-up 2019. Miss Shillong 2019 first runners-up is, any guesses? Is Miss Rita Maya Pasa.
And Miss Shillong 2019 is Miss
Akriti Jain. This is giving me goosebumps right now. Woohoo!